True Jamaican vibes fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester, guys, on place them call name Wards Avenue. A lot of people forget them street, yeah. Ward Avenue. Yeah man, so take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. So you're gonna know Manchester with Fire Reid, guys. Yeah man, Mandeville, you know. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. So I'm giving a tour on Wards Avenue. On Wards Avenue you have a lot of different stores. This is where you have Treasure Box, you have Guardian Life, JMMB. Even you have a car center right on Wards Avenue. You have Rapid True Value. Yes, my beautiful people. So take a quick tour. So you all know you can use Wards Avenue, take you back right onto Winston Jones Highway, guys. Yeah man, right onto Winston Jones Highway, like they're having a funeral here so today. So indicate where you're watching from. You know, Mandeville is the climate is very cool at times, but since lately, you know, say summer right now, you know, every place hot in Jamaica right now, to be honest. Yes, my beautiful people. On your left, you have Wards Close. So yes, my people, I will make a right turn right here. We're up on West Road. If you go straight ahead, take you back to Winston Jones Highway. But I think now we're on West Road. So we're gonna make a right turn. We're on Brumella Road, guys, so we're gonna go on to Caledonia Road. Yeah, man. So I think we're on Brumella Road, so we're gonna go on to Caledonia Road, and this is also a one-way, guys. Yeah, man. So we are going on to Caledonia Road. Man, so you can indicate where you're watching from, and my people. Indicate on where you're watching from. So I'm gonna make a right turn, guys. We'll take you on to Main Street. This can take you back up into the town center area, guys. So that's what I go on. Manchester with them on. They are Manchester. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.